Hey drivers, just wanted to say thanks for everything you do out there. I hope you had a great week, and we can't do this without you.
Thanks drivers for the year of 2023 and keeping our stomachs obviously full and our fridges full too.
Thank you for everything you do. We really appreciate you. And we appreciate your safe driving and representing our company as one of the top performers.
How you doing? It's Antonio in Safety. I just wanted to thank you guys for everything that you do. You really do keep the country moving, and we're proud of you. Thank you.
Hey drivers, David Foster, Safety Manager at Bay & Bay. Just wanted to say thank you for all the hard work and everything that you do out on the roadways. You not only provide a way of life for you and your family, but also all the office personnel and the mechanics and everybody else. So thank you for all your hard work.
Hi everyone, my name is Bonnie Audi. I work in the HR department, and I just want to say thank you to all of our drivers for all of your hard work and dedication. Thank you.
Hello Bay & Bay drivers, this is Wade Anderson. I head up technology here for the company. I just wanted to send you a shout out and thank you and appreciation for all you do out there on the roads each and every day. Thanks again.
Good afternoon drivers, this is Greg Handwork, Vice President of Operations here at Bay & Bay. Just wanted to take a quick second to say thank you very much for everything that you do here at Bay & Bay. You're definitely the best of the best. We hope you have an opportunity this week to get into our service centers, have a little something to eat and visit with us. And we're looking forward to it. Have a great day.
Greetings drivers, my name is Lisa Goneman. I'm the President of Trucking, and I want to express my sincere thank you for all the hard work that you do. You are out there delivering goods to America, and you keep America going. Thank you, and let's wrap this up with a great year.
Hey everyone, I'm Brett, VP of Sales here at Bay & Bay. Just wanted to say thank you to all of you drivers out on the road. We know this isn't a hard gig, but you're the people that keep our company moving. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Savannah, the Marketing Manager here at Bay & Bay. Hi, I'm Jeannie, the Marketing Specialist at Bay & Bay. We just wanted to say thank you drivers for all that you do. We really appreciate you. Thank you.
This is Nate Ayers and Brendan Kennedy.
We're on the sales team at Bay & Bay.
We would like to say thank you for all your dedicated hard work throughout the year for Bay & Bay Transportation.
Hi drivers, I'm Sue West and I oversee HR here at Bay & Bay. I want to thank each and every one of you for all you do. We couldn't do what we get to do if it wasn't for each of you. And I have had such a delight getting to know many of you, but I'm very, very excited to get to know more of you over time. You guys are amazing, and I am so proud to be part of this team and to meet more of you soon. Thank you.
Hi, Hannah Matkor, Vice President of Pricing and Market Intelligence. Just want to say thank you to the men and women out on the road today and every day, delivering our products and making everything there for us when we need it. Your hard work, dedication, and sacrifice is truly appreciated.
Hi, I'm Jade Nelson, Vice President of Refrigerated Sales. I want to say thank you to all of our drivers. I've been in this industry for a long time, and you're the lifeblood of everything that we do, so thanks for everything.
Good afternoon, Bay & Bay drivers. This is Justin Johnson, our President of Logistics. Just want to say on behalf of the executive team, thank you for all that you do for not only us, but our customers here at Bay & Bay. Hope you have a great week and be safe out there.
Hi, we're the customer service team, and on behalf of us,
thank you, drivers!